New for 2024 are our MiniPC solutions. Our patented MiniPC is running off a single Ethernet input. It is running off a 90-watt input from a network switch. This is capable of supporting 64 GB of RAM. It's an x86 processor, so can run Windows 11. This is Windows 11 Professional, but that's not it. It is powering not only itself, but via a USB C cable, this 27-inch 4K monitor. And that's not all. From this 27-inch 4K monitor, I have daisy-chained another 27-inch 4K monitor via USB C input. This is using multi-stream transport or MST. So 2 monitors, both 27-inch and both 4K, and this computer running a full Windows 11 supported off a single Ethernet cable. This is as sustainable as computing can get. No AC power cords, no electricians. At Thinlabs, we give you the most cost-effective, most sustainable solution, and we help you cut the power cord.